The Air Conditioning, Refrigeration, and Environmental Control Technology program at San Diego City College provides comprehensive training in HVAC systems, emphasizing energy efficiency and sustainability. As new equipment becomes more technically challenging and the existing workforce continues to age, the career opportunities in HVAC for those who have acquired formal technical training coupled with field experience are unlimited. By joining our program, you will gain hands-on experience with the latest technologies, learning to install, maintain, and repair heating, ventilation, air conditioning, and refrigeration systems. Our program covers key areas such as system diagnostics, energy management, and environmental control technologies. You will work with industry standard tools and techniques, ensuring you're job ready upon graduation. With the growing demand for skilled HVAC technicians, the employment positions available will continue to outnumber applicants for the foreseeable future. Our graduates find opportunities in various settings, including residential, commercial, and industrial environments. Visit our website to learn more and enroll today.